Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I have a BH Cosmetics haul. I bought 6 stuff. It was a total of $40, I think. I did open it just to make sure they weren't broken or something, and only one came broken, and it was the free one. I got that one for free, and it was a highlighter. I'll show you right now. But the first thing I got here was this setting spray. I don't know, I just wanted to try one because I've never tried one before. And yeah. And it says, after applying makeup, shake bottle well and 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, and spray on evenly 4 to 6 times in an X and T motion. So yeah, I got that. Another thing that I got was this. It says Diamond Dazzlers Loose Foil Pigment, and I got the shade Radiant. And I kind of did open this one just to see the color, and it's so pretty. So I just know it's gonna get messy, but it looks like that. You can't really tell, but it looks like that. And I'm scared to use this because I feel like it's gonna be so hard to apply it, like to get some out. But yeah, I got that. This one was free, and it's the Black Light Highlight 6-color palette. So this is what it looks like. There's some colors, well, there are colors that I'm probably not going to use on my face, but I'll use them in my eyelids, my eyes. So there you have it. White, purple, the pink. So that's how they look. They're really pretty. But yeah, maybe just, be careful with that one. And it was free, so, and I guess it was like $17. Value of it was $17, but I got it for free. Okay, so the next palette is a Nouvelle Neutrals palette, and it has 26 colors with blushes. Okay, so this one doesn't have a mirror, and it looks like this. The bad thing about this one is that it's white, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep it that way. But yeah, now let me do some swatches for you guys. These are the first 2 lines. And these are the blushes. The next palette that I got was the Carly Bible palette, the deluxe edition, and I have wanted this palette for a while now, and I finally got it. It looks like that. And I'll do the swatches. These are the swatches for that one, for the eyeshadows. And now for the highlights. And these are the highlights. Last palette that I bought was this one. Marve Corn, something like that, by Marvin magnificent. Martin I can't say it, but yeah. So pretty. I think this is the one I'm mostly excited about. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh my god, that one, and that one looks so pretty. And then the highlighters. Look at that. They're so pigmented. So yeah, that's all the palettes that I got from BH Cosmetics. If you guys would like to see me using one of these palettes, let me know. Comment down below. And yeah, that's everything I got for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.